Though you will see click to continue and replay buttons in this video, these features are not supported by this format. You may want to pause the video when you see these buttons. If you want these features and the supplemental slides and files that correspond to the video, then enroll in the course at biztricks.us. Let's start off on the ampersand worksheet. Ampersand behaves the same as the concat function. Concat is short for concatenate, which appends values together. In this exercise, we combine the data cells together into a single text string using ampersand, along with a pipe delimiter. We showcase text join as part of the tier 2 functions because text join provides an alternative method for what you will see here. Move to F10. Type an equal sign to start the formula. Move to B10. Control left arrow twice. Type the ampersand sign. Reference the delimiter in F5. Up arrow, control up arrow, F4 to lock both the column and row. Type the ampersand sign. Move to C10. Left arrow 3 times. Type the ampersand sign. Add the delimiter. Up arrow, control up arrow, F4. Type the ampersand sign. Move to D10. Left arrow twice. Type the ampersand sign. Add the delimiter. Up arrow, control up arrow, F4. Type the ampersand sign. Move to E10. Left arrow. Enter to finish the formula. Fill the formula down. Left arrow, control down arrow, right arrow, control shift up arrow, control D. Control page down to the text worksheet. The text function is another one of our favorite functions. This function will format a value based on a format code. The text function is particularly useful if you have a recurring report for which you need to provide commentary. The word structure may stay the same, but the numbers change. There are lots of format codes, so we mention the most useful ones here. Let's cover 3 basic formatting code concepts: date, time, and number character combinations. Notice in the format section that the date format codes follow an easy coding system: M for month, D for day, and Y for year. The number of letters you see, 1 to 4, dictates the output value. The time format codes follow a similar pattern as date: H for hour, M for minute, and S for second. Number character format codes follow a basic structure where 0 will display the specified placeholder and pound will show the specified integer if that integer value is present. Adding characters like a period, comma, or %sign will display other useful formats. In this example, we provide a sample commentary that should read, February 2021 sales were 95 million, up 4 million, or 4.4% from January 2021. We want to create this commentary using the text formula because next month, we will need to update the data to reflect March versus February. Setting up the formula correctly the first time means we need to change the 2 dates and 2 sales values only, rather than updating every change in the commentary. Manual updates equate to opportunities for error. Move to D9. Let's create the January 2021 text. Value will be the date, which is the reference to B9, and the format code will be 4 M's followed by a space and 4 Y's. Type the following: equal sign, TE. Press the tab key to complete the function name. Left arrow twice, and type a comma. Type double quote followed by 4 M's, type a space, followed by 4 Y's, type double quote, and enter to finish the formula. Let's fill down again and then edit the formula. Control D. We'll add an if statement to the beginning. If the change value is greater than or equal to 0, then we want the cell to display the word up, followed by the number. If the value is negative, then we want the cell to display the word down, followed by the number. F2, control up arrow, right arrow, type if, followed by the tab key. F2, left arrow twice, Type the greater than sign followed by the equal sign. Type 0 followed by a comma. Type the word up wrapped in double quotes. Type a comma. Type the word down wrapped in double quotes. Type right parenthesis to finish the if function. Type ampersand, double quote, space, double quote, enter. Let's take one last step to finish the commentary. Move to C17 and concatenate the cells together to build the commentary to match the sample. Type the following: equal sign,